Number 1. Good morning, everyone. Remember, every morning, we are born again. What we do today matters most. Let's make today amazing. Number 2. Good morning, dear students and faculty, as we gather for another day of learning and growth. Let's embrace the power of positivity. In the midst of every difficulty lies opportunity. Let's make the most of today's opportunities. Text. Number 3. Good morning, everyone. Today, let's reflect on these wise words. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Let's dream big, work hard, and create a future filled with success and happiness. Have a wonderful day ahead. Number 4. Good morning, esteemed teachers and students. Let's kickstart this day with enthusiasm and determination. Remember, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Let's spread positivity and passion in everything we do today. Have a fantastic day. Number 5. Good morning, everyone. Let's start our day with a positive mindset and the belief that every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. So let's make that decision today and strive for excellence in all our endeavors. Have a fantastic day filled with determination and success. Number 6. Good morning, wonderful students and teachers. Today, let's remember that the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So let's kick off this day with enthusiasm, determination, and a willingness to take that first step towards our goals. Believe in yourselves and let's make today count. Have a fantastic morning assembly. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.